The collar creates a sill between the head valve and the cylinder. Over time, the collar will harden and crack. When this happens, you will usually have air leaking from the top of the gun. Replacing the collar is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now I'll disassemble the head valve. With the head valve removed, now I can replace the collar. I'll remove the old collar and then install the new. Now I can replace the bumper. And this assembly is ready to go back into the head. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap sill and the cap. And now you know how to replace the collar in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.